What do we offer? Product on demand, project assembly, project subassembly, replacement parts or DIY projects, custom machine parts, and metal fabricated parts. Large inventory of raw materials to accommodate custom designs consisting of bulk fractional T-slot aluminum, skids of wire mesh and polycarbonate panels, associated brackets, feet, door hardware, as well as standard safety switches, presence sensing and monitoring devices, and more. Metric extrusion sizes available upon request can be prepared for your next guarding installation or a build and ship in kit form or assembled form such as workbenches, carts, racks, and shelving. Save time and money while reducing frustration from expensive CAD software, trying to read drawings, finding floor space to sort T-slotted extrusion and plastic and wire mesh panel sizes, and chance of losing hardware by receiving your project fully assembled, ready to unpack and put in place. These framing projects can consist of machine guarding, ergonomic workstations, lean manufacturing racks and carts, and more with simple shop solutions. For projects too large to ship in a single assembly, we can break them down into manageable sections, receive them, set them up, connect them together, and put in place. These T-slot framing projects such as milling machine and lathe guards, perimeter guarding, 5S work cells are just some of the solutions you can build quickly while providing great aesthetics. Order common T-slotted extrusion lengths, connection methods, hardware, and accessories with just a phone call, making the process efficient for you to get parts. Choices can be overwhelming with thousands of products to choose from, so let our customer service reps and/or designers help you. With our experienced machinists, we can custom make brackets and plates, stops, sensor brackets, etc., using 6061 aluminum, hot-rolled or cold-rolled steel, and various plastics, which can be used to help adapt to your T-slot frame without looking like an afterthought for such products as safety switches, ergonomic lifting devices, adaptive tooling, and more. Our master fabricators can cut, machine, bend, roll, weld, and engrave, typically created from a light to medium gauge sheet metal, as well as steel tubing. Custom plating such as painting and powder coating with standard colors or customer requested RAL color numbers. PowerSafe Automation, engineering your safety. Call today at 844-520-SAFE or visit our website at powersafeautomation.com.